Anuvini. Build, learn, explore.
Hello, so good evening. Today we met our fourth year senior who is our mentor in Super 10 batch, and today he guided us about our semester journey, and he told us about the first semester is for exploring everything, all the fields. And if you are thinking you are confused in first semester, you did a lot of things but nothing mastered, then it is totally fine. And it is not like you wasted your semester, it is like you explored in first year, but you have a very large of amount of data and explored a lot of things, so you know now that in which field you are really interested. So he told us that you can pursue now your field, and you if you choose any field you have to pass through DSA. So he told us about to choose one language and suggested Python to follow, because we can continue machine learning, AI, automation things on Python, so we should do DSA in Python. He has done DSA in C++, but he was suggesting us to do in Python. And an alumni, Avilas sir, also suggested to do this in Python. Currently, he assigned us tasks, like two tasks majorly. One, to do DSA in Python, and secondly, to complete projects which are assigned to us, Django project.
So one more thing I will want to add, like in first year, we guys are in trouble. Students of electrical and electronics departments are in trouble. Like I have to choose core or I should go in technical field, like software field. So he suggested us that give time to your core subject. Don't ignore it, because you will be everyone from your batch will be allowed to sit in the core field. So give some time to it. Make notes of important subjects that you will be taught. Okay, and he also said that don't ignore DSA, because DSA is an entry point for you to sit in a software jobs. And when a company come to your campus for placement, they ask in interview questions related to DSA. So that's why DSA will be an entry point for you to go into software field if you want. So keep on doing DSA every day, and also focus on your core field. Don't ignore it.
One more thing for only NIT Patna students, that our Super 10 batch also provides a tour which will happen in June. Basically, we will share about that video also.
Like that tour will be fully funded by our alumni, and they will take us to I think Kolkata for free, and we will be there for 6 days I think. And we will be there with our alumni and other seniors. So it will be a great learnings for us, and great exposure for us.
Yes. So that was it for today. Thank you.